Snow gagab? Snow? Mami, Snow. Hold mo na yung Snow. Babatuhin mo si Daddy, di ba?
Dali, batayin mo na Snow. Si Daddy.
Babatuhin mo si Daddy, di ba? Yee! Yee!
Hello guys.
Ano yun po?
Ay, may wife ka.
Yan.
Welcome to the club. Bakit naman biglang naging club? Hi, Gagab. May lipstick yan. Get breakfast. Day 5.
Pwede naman yan eh. Dito naman tayo sa
Hi. Wala. Sabi niya, video ako daw siya. Tapos pagka-video ko, you want this? Sabi niya sa video.
Picture tayo.
Sure. Arigato. Ooh! Yan ang maganda sa tour nito. May sunroof.
This is it. We're leaving.
Takawa. Medyo ano pa, biyahe pa agad nun.
Okay, Snow, here we come.
Anong ini-eat mo?
At hotdog.
Hotdog? Ano ba?
Hotdog pa yan.
Hotdog pa rin? Wow.
May tusok ko.
Gusto.
Kagat ko kasi eh.
Dahil sa ulam ko na yung ano na.
Sa ulap? Nakiliti na yung ulap.
Sa mga ganito kami
Snow, sabi, Snow.
Oh? Ang lilinis yan.
Papimbak na tayo. Kat na tayo.
Grabe yung ulap.
Ano pala?
Fuji, Tokyo. Tututo kay Lord dapat.
Mami yung... Ganda.
Ganda, bakit paano namang postcard yan?
Hindi siya na-justify dun sa nakita mo.
Wow! Wow!
Ulan ng snow.
We're back.
We're back.
We're back again, guys. So, ito na po kami ngayon. Gab, meron sa camera. This is what we're waiting for. The snow, Grand Snow Uibuki. So, this is a must visit places here in sa Bato, Giga. At meron na po silang snow. Artificial nga lang. Pero, ulan po ng snow ngayon. So, grabe talaga. Autumn with snow is equals to perfection.
Grabe ka, Lord.
Snow gagab? Snow? Mami, snow! Hold mo na yung snow. Babatuhin mo si daddy, di ba?
Dali, batay mo na snow. Dali.
Babatuhin mo si daddy, di ba? Yee! Yee! Yee!
Ma What's that, anak? Ha? Snow? Ay, wow! Ay!
No.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
Slow.
Wow, snow. Anak, trampoline, talon. Mayroon, sled. Oops, careful. Illuminati.
Sige mo sa akin yung mic, Jay.
Illuminati. Ay, illumination pala.
Cristiano pa naman
So ganda. The illumination. The illumination of the Osaka City.
Tataanin yung mga hari train na.
Doing?
I'm playing.
Smile here, camera.
Mami, yan ka.
TV.
TV.
This is our Airbnb. It's called Wolfpack Apartment. So Christmas here. Gab, smile. Hi, Gab. Say hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Our apartment. There is a Monkey Cinema restaurant here. So we'll go here later, eat steak and watch movies.
Dalawang tao lang. At tatlong.
Iwan natin. Lechon to.
Ay, lechon na siya.
Hindi, injection.
Ah, injection.
Lechon.
Kala ko lechon na siya.
Hindi, iyak ko yan.
Iiyak. Sige.
Huh? Picture ka nga.
Iyak ko yan.
Bakit?
Pagka-picture, iyak.
Kasi?
Bulatin ka. Wala.
Sarap yan?
Daling ko na lang.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, andito ka na! Joke. Ayan, daddy, oh. Lagas na. Pagdating natin dito, madami pa yan, eh. Oh, it's so cold. Daddy.
Akit pa tayo, di ba?
Oo. So, kamusta naman ang balikbayan?
Right. Grabe. Uwi ng Pinas.
Lieutenant Mary Grace, passengers Miss
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Emergency viewing signal seatbelt fastened. Warning that please be advised of whether the seatbelt sign is turned on. The bus will be found not being used and you must adjust your seat and fasten the seatbelt. Electronic devices will now be used in flight mode. If you wish to be restricted to the extra leg room seat, please approach our cabin crew on the seat upgrade charges. Capjet staff members save more when they fly thanks to member exclusive fares and early access to
One more time.
If you are not already a member, we invite you to join Club Jetstar today at jetstar.com. Join free video fee and terms and conditions apply. Should you require